Hey guys, John Richards here. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, on this video I'm going to talk about a business planning process. So important if you're starting a new business. Hey, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. A business planning process, so important if you're starting a new business. So let me get into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do, if you follow me for any time, you know I always start with a vision. What's it look like at the end? So let's say I'm building a business for this year and I'm focused on 2019. What's it going to look like? Today is December 31st, 2019, and then I describe in detail exactly what it looks like. You know, what rank I am, how much money I'm making, how many people are in my business, whatever it is, whatever kind of business you have. Maybe it's a YouTube channel and how many subscribers you have. Maybe it's an email list and how many email subscribers you have. Whatever it is, and be really specific, present, positive tense, as if it's already happened. Because when you look at it, you want to say, okay, that's what it looks like. That's what I'm going to accomplish. That's what I'm headed for. The next thing you want to do is you want to write down 3 reasons why you want to make this happen. You have to have a purpose, guys. You have to have a purpose. So 3 reasons why. Okay, now as soon as you've done that, now you got to look at that vision. You got to identify one goal. What's the one thing, such that by doing it, everything else is easier or unnecessary? What's the one thing that would change everything else? I always have 3 goals for the year, but I identify one that's the most important, okay? And then if I focus on that, usually the others will happen as a byproduct, but I do focus on 3 goals, so I don't want you to get me wrong on this, okay? So once I identify that one goal that's going to change everything, it's going to be the real needle mover, that's going to make everything else different, that's going to be my lead domino. Once I identify that, then I identify 3 priorities that will accomplish that. And each priority should accomplish it on its own. And you got to make sure you put these in priority order. So whatever the first one is, make sure you put it here, and then second, and then third. You have to have 3 priorities. Now, after you've identified your priorities, you put them in priority order. You know, this one's first, second, and third. Then identify 3 strategies to accomplish each priority, okay? And these are what you're gonna execute on a weekly basis, okay? And you don't want to focus on all 3 at once. You want to focus on the first one, and when you master that, when you get really good at that, and you know this is going to accomplish the goal, if you get really good at it and you earn the right, then you can focus on the second one. But don't get all caught up and I'm going to have all these priorities for this one goal. No. You want to have 1 priority and 3 strategies you're going to focus on. You're going to execute on the strategies to accomplish that priority. That's what you're going to focus on. And one of the things my mentor shared with me a while back is always focus on the process and detach from the outcome. Okay, so you don't want to get caught up in, you know, something doesn't happen today. This person didn't sign up, or this person didn't do what they said they do. You have no control over that. You just keep executing. You keep focused on those strategies. They'll accomplish the priorities, and then the priorities will accomplish your goal. That's how you create a business plan. You know, don't make it complicated. You know, keep it simple. You know, I've seen people, they've created business plans that are 10 pages long. They're in a drawer somewhere, and they don't even look at it. You know, I can look at a 1-page business plan every single day. I can look at it weekly when I'm planning my week. I know that I'm okay. Here's my strategies that I'm going to execute that priority with, and that priority is going to accomplish that goal. And I know if I stay focused on that, I can kind of gauge where I'm at. I know how I'm coming toward that. And if I do that right, it's going to paint the picture, which is my vision. Make sense? Hey, so if you guys like this, make sure you comment below. Make sure you tell me how you plan your business. You know, if you do anything different, if you have any questions, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you share it with anybody else who could possibly use this. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Hey, if you want to get these videos via email, just click the link below in the description. I email these out to my email list on a weekly basis. And just go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Be exceptional. Thank you so much for being on my video.